In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Siri and dictation history on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now and we're going to do this straight from the settings app, so just follow along as I tap through it. First, I'm going to find the settings app, the grey gear icon. If you don't see it on this screen, just swipe across your home screens until you spot it. Once you find settings, go ahead and tap it to open. Okay, now we're inside settings and you'll see a long list of options. We need to get into the Siri settings, so at this point I'm going to scroll down. I'm scrolling slowly and watching the labels as they pass by, and we're looking for Siri. Once you see Siri, go ahead and tap it. Alright, now we're on the Siri settings page. This is where you can control different Siri features and data related options. The next thing we need to open is Siri and dictation history. So I'm looking down this page until I see the option labeled Siri and dictation history, and once I find it, I'm tapping it. Now we're on the Siri and dictation history screen. This is where you can delete the history that's been saved. You should see an option that says delete Siri and dictation history. So at this point I'm going to tap on delete Siri and dictation history. After you tap it, your iPhone will ask you to confirm, just to make sure you really want to delete it. So go ahead and confirm the action when the prompt appears. Once you confirm, the deletion will go through, and that's it. You opened settings, went into Siri, opened Siri and dictation history, and tapped delete Siri and dictation history, then confirmed. After that, you can back out of settings or close it, and your Siri and dictation history will be deleted.